Hey guys, so we are here at SODO again today for our second day of installations, and check it out. This is the panels on the ground here. We've got a Mammoth sign going up today. It's 18 by 21 feet. It goes up about 45 feet in the air. It's pretty sweet. It's going to really give identity to this property. They've never had this before. So we were able to negotiate with the city and get something up, but this is huge for them. They're gonna have this major logo identity sign up over here on the garage at a huge intersection that guides the client and the prospects to their office. It's kind of difficult to do when you're downtown and you've got hardly any space whatsoever, but we're utilizing the garage for identity, and it's gonna be fantastic. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of what's going on here today. There are actually 7 panels for this project, and it's just incredible. We're kind of assembling them here before they go up, and the first panel is actually going up. So let me just show you that and then show you what we're doing over here. All right, stay with me. I'm coming. Okay, there we go. So that is the first panel that's gonna go up. It's gonna go up there. Amazing. Like I said, you can see the tape they put up as a guide, and that's where it's gonna go. So pretty sweet. Again, I will get you guys updates. I will show you what's happening, and stick with me. I'll put up final shots. I've got some shots I'm gonna put up too from yesterday, so you guys can see that. But yes, incredible time here in downtown Houston. It's not so hot today, so I'm excited about that. But yeah, I just want to show you just real quickly while we're here. I'm going to show you the monument that we just put up. So we put up 2 monuments yesterday and got them all illuminated. So they were put up yesterday. They started illumination last night. So that's pretty sweet. Let me show you this monument really quick, and then we'll sign off and show you some more pictures. Is that not incredible? Look at that. It's gorgeous, really nice. And over on the other side, there's 2 towers. Give you an idea of this tower. It's pretty crazy, right? We did all the window graphics. I showed you that yesterday. But I'm gonna hop across down the street here so you guys can see this incredible monument over here. So we did this too. Isn't that nice? So there's a south and there is the north side. These towers are about 24 stories tall. Twin towers in downtown Houston, but you can kind of see what it looks like. It's really amazing that you see the south at the top. That's done with a day glow technique, where during the day it's black, but at night it's white. It shines through, so you can see it at night. The illumination letters this is actually kind of illuminated now, so you can kind of see it, but it has an edge lit here. So this edge lits at night. This is their colors, their Pantone colors, and then you see it kind of lifts off, which is really nice. The face. These illuminate full white at night, but yeah, isn't that nice? I love it. Anyway, okay, so that's it for now. I'm gonna let you guys get back to your day, but I wanted to kind of show you what's going on here at SODO on Main, downtown Houston. We'll talk to you soon.